Folks, welcome. This is Spoon TV, who represents the defense team. So we're not joined Councillor Liberia Solicitor General, Councillor Augustine Fayiah. Councillor Fayiah, welcome to Spoon TV.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
So yesterday we followed the ruling from Criminal Code C here by the police.
Why are you far off from me?
I
said, why are you far off from me?
No, I won't get a full view here, but it's okay. Yeah, so as I was saying, we listened to the ruling yesterday from Criminal Code C here by the presiding judge, Judge Ousman F in the case involving former Finance Minister Tweah and others. And that ruling, you win as victorious. That is the non-guilty verdict that was brought down by two of the defendants were overturned, and then the entire case went to a new trial. You, as Liberia Solicitor General, can you tell us what this actually means for the government, how you see this entire ruling yesterday from your own perspective?
When you say I went victorious, no, not went victorious for the whole judicial system.
Okay.
Because it is a judicial, it's a temporary judicial process by any individual, and that thing is brought to the attention of the judge, and the judge investigates that to penalize that person. It's a victory for the system.
Okay.
Not victory for Councillor Fayiah, so to speak. It's victory for even the defendant. Because they themselves know that we have to abide by the rule of law.
Okay.
So it is my view that what happened is a victory for everybody. There's an impression in our country that the jurors are just ordinary people. No, they are not ordinary people.
Okay.
Those are judges of the facts. And so the impression that when the ruling from the court is being held, they say, oh, the judicial, the judicial, no. The system is built in such a way, it is constitutional, it's statutory,
okay,
and the people within the community should be part of the process. And so when they bring you to make determination of any process, you should be very honest. If you are not honest, and you transgress, and it is proven, then you have to face the full way of the law. So those jurors who made that, a decision that was very unorthodox, they are facing the decision of the law. And we say bravo to those three jurors who were at least, to some extent, magnanimous to come and report the misconduct, jury misconduct. I think that's how the society should be. If you misbehave, you must be penalized. If you misbehave, you must be penalized. And I think the society will move forward.
Do we have such precedent within our jurisdictions wherein jurors who presided over the matter being disbanded and going back into the community, calling them back and for some investigations? Don't you think that was unconstitutional, according to what your opponent said on yesterday, Councillor?
If you were to ask the question the other way, I think it would be better.
Okay.
Jurors who misbehave, and they themselves know they misbehave, and they left the men in the community, there we feel the heartbeat having party or with those who corrupt money, and people there, they call back whether that is something that should be doable. I answer that in the affirmative.
Okay.
And the jury behave like that, they should come back. And there are latines of opinion of the Supreme Court where jury have misbehaved, where after they win, and they have to call them back to face the full weight of the law. What happened yesterday is normal, consistent with our statute, consistent with our law, and the judge decided to act properly.
Okay, because one thing we did not see on yesterday was people are saying those who serve as whistleblower, why were they also sent to prison?
That's a decision of the judge. I think eventually will be taken care of. That's a decision of the judge. And normally the decision of the judge is whether you're lucky or not, all you have to say, accept the decision, and the fellow representing those jurors accepted the decision. So that exception was noted by the judge. I think the decision will be made to make sure that they are taken care of properly.
So from another standpoint, Council, where are we? Because this entire investigations, there was some point in time that your name was mentioned, Councillor Augustine Fayiah, Liberia Solicitor General, who according to some quote-unquote allegations that you had a person, one of the juror who is your quote-unquote girlfriend, which I want to put it that way, who was also being sequestrated. How can you speak to that?
History has proven over and again that when people are in a terrible circumstances, they look for people with clean record so that they can go in the quarter with them. And that is exactly what happened. People who know Cllr Fayiah, they know Cllr Fayiah is a man of integrity. Cllr Fayiah is not someone that will temper with any juror. And so the records show that I was very clear. And I think their interview is important because I'm mysterious. When they are mysterious nature with 100, they know what they did. And they call my name to talk about a lady I have never seen in my life until during the juror service. And they say I am the boyfriend to the lady. That's not true. And witnesses proof, and she herself testify that was a false book. And so it was created by the people you see them up to now. They're telling the truth. Cllr Fayiah send their cell phone in the jury room. People who know me, they know me better. I won't do anything like that. I depend on my sense of the law. My authority over the law is what guides me. I come to court, I come with clarity, research the law properly, and come with heavy weight. And I think if they don't know my weight, they shall see it.
Another issue that raised serious concern on yesterday, it has to do with how long these jurors who were sent to prison yesterday are they to spend in prison? How long are they to be in prison for?
That is a good question, good decision.
But now it's turned over to Major Justice. So you guys, what's
the matter? Expeditious without delay.
Okay.
That's why we don't delay with any matter. We have a very competent staff at the Justice Ministry. The matter reached to my office. Our prosecutors are very, very, very vigilant. We saw it during the trial. We're not going to be crying far out. Those who want to cry, they will continue crying. They will cry and cry and cry. They will not escape justice. I can assure you that. For those who are there, how long they will be there. One day I turn over the Ministry of Justice. As I speak, the investigation will commence within the next few minutes.
Okay.
I can assure you that.
So you call everyone for prison on today?
The investigation will start within the next few minutes or few hours.
There is this woman that I want you to add your own force to Cllr Fayiah. Is it that your administration, that is the prosecution plus government, whoever is actually being on making sure that somebody will go to prison? Is it that's the reason? Because you listened to your African party yesterday. He said these jurors who complain were paid by the government to come and lie so that Tweah and others can go to jail by all costs.
Let me say this to you. Why are you not being tried? Why are you not being tried? Why is Simon Tweah? People are tried by the Ministry of Justice on the basis of their conduct. Did you do anything that require or going after you? No. If Simon Tweah did anything that required the Justice Ministry putting him here, do you believe in that? He said yes, he did something.
Okay.
He took 6.2 million United States dollars belonging to the taxpayer.
Okay.
All we see is come and face justice. If it is you, pay the money back. Is that too difficult? It's not difficult. Whether he cry, he don't cry, Justice Ministry will make sure that justice is done. We will not abuse anybody. We'll make sure that the proper thing is done. There will be proper engagement. Everything will be done. And nobody will say they can't come to court. No. They will come to court and face justice. They will come to court and face justice.
These jurors were being guarded by court officers, that is the bailiff and the police officers. Tell us from the different investigations that you people attended, what are the different corporations you caught? That is, who actually tampered with these jurors, Counsel?
Well, you can refer to the court ruling and see who tampered with the juror. The court ruling was read yesterday. I'm sure you followed it. So now for me to restate what the court has said.
Probably
the court ruling is there. So I don't interpret the court ruling to give it different meaning. It is there. It is a written instrument, is supersedious to what I say with my mouth. If you want the copy, I can give you the copy to determine what happened in the court. So that's the situation.
So right now we await the investigation to start with the jurors. Following that, what's the next step the government intend to do? Is it a new another assignment pray for, and you started the case as requested.
Read the court ruling, you will see everything is captured there.
Okay.
Trial will be here, there was jury, tampering, everything that happened is set aside, and there will be no trial.
And what do you intend?
So read the court ruling and you will find out there.
Your adverse party are willing to challenge this entire ruling. Are you also prepared?
There's a court that assigned the case. The court said we should come the after tomorrow, we'll be here.
Are you prepared to challenge it along with them? Because they are also willing and prepared to challenge. No, they are saying they are not coming back to court because they were being set free. Particularly Mr. Tweah.
Is that not Roman?
It was posted on social media. You even listen to his lawyer.
That is a Roman. I don't take Roman to be serious. When the court say come to court,
okay,
nobody in the jurisdiction will say I can't come to court. But that person will be, somebody very serious. When the court say assignment is say come to court, being there for criminal matter, nobody. And I said nobody will say no, I can't come to court.
Do you think the government is witch hunting the past government officials?
Which one?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think?
I'm asking you. I don't know best.
No, why do you think?
As SG, you know best.
If they are which one they will come to court, government will come to court to issue rate and say we hold it. Why do you think?
Because he knows best.
They know we hunting.
Okay.
They know which hunting. Which hunting will not go through drawing the indictment. They will use the liberty. You come to court, you prove yourself. You see in jail. No, you file the 1 year out. You see being harassed. No, not being harassed. This government will not witch hunt anybody. This government see the rule of law as period number one. Man, the rule of law, agriculture, education, every other thing will not work. So rule of law is our period number one, and we stand by it. So we will not hunt anybody. We will not witch hunt anybody.
SG Fayiah, you took the case. I can remember the last time interview. You said this was being the shortest economic sabotage case. Were you disappointed when the jury came down with these mixed, verdicts of the defendants? Were you disappointed? Do you actually foresee that there were?
Be disappointed with court decision.
Okay.
If you are anything, how will lawyer be disappointed with court? The court decision is the decision.
But do you actually thought that the jurors were being tampered with?
Did you read the ruling?
I mean, before. I'm not talking about now. Before.
Did you read the ruling? Read the ruling, you will understand that.
Okay. Okay.
Read the ruling. You were here yesterday, you listened to it. Why? You were not here properly?
I was here, Council. I'm just trying to recall that night when we stay here up to what hours and the day of the jury verdict. What the prosecution actually had, I thought.
Did you listen to the ruling yesterday? Mm-hmm. Where informed ruling by the judge? Did you listen to it? Did you listen to the ruling?
So by all cause,
the ruling will inform you. If the hard problem come, I will get you.
By all cause, the defendants are coming back for a new trial.
Certainly.
A measure of justice is ready.
Certainly.
Okay. So that's it, folks. All right. So you just listened to Liberia Solicitor General, Councillor Augustine Fayiah, telling us more about yesterday's ruling that saw 15 jurors going to prison, and then the trial going to a new start. So that's it. He said there is no witch hunt. These people, according to him, committed heinous crimes against the state by using public funds, taxpayer money. So for that reason and several others, they are going to face the full weight of the law. There is no witch hunt and there is no attack on any individuals. This why not everybody has been brought before court. Those who are brought up who the state believe committed heinous crimes against the state. So that's it. Melvin Jackson, my name. Thanks and bye-bye.